Welcome to the live streaming from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. This is Forex Wizard, your trading coach. We will be doing a live trading session, live analysis, live discussion. First day of trading week, and we can see that there was a sudden breakout on the very good move on Gbpusd, and we have seen that also gold. So far there was an initial bounce with the market open, and then the price has gone for a consolidation here, so waiting for another very good move. GJ has got a massive bounce from the place that we have bought in the past week, so I'll be waiting for an entry opportunity here on all of them along with all of you traders. So if you are ready for this big move on the market happening due to many fundamental reasons, then don't miss out any part of this live session. I would appreciate your support to the channel by giving a thumbs up. So once you say you are here, say yes on the live chat, I can start analyzing the market. So on GJ there was a massive liquidity gap here with a pin bar. The market has moved after crossing back-to-back two important support level. The market has got a bounce, and we see that there is a clean breakout in this market with this daily impulse, which the market is heading towards the upside on Gbpusd and dollar yen, both of them currently trending very nicely. We see a bit of sideways movement on gold, but we will keep eye on that. So let's see where we can find our next opportunity in the market. Now, before I progress further, I would appreciate if you give a thumbs up, and also let me know using the live chat when you are here, so I know that you are here. Kisitu, welcome. Good morning, coach and trading community. Welcome. Good afternoon. Thank you very much. Good morning, everyone, and have a nice day. Welcome. Good morning. Good morning, coach. Hope you are good. I'm good. Thank you very much. You're from Zambia. Welcome. Let's go, master. Good morning. Good morning, Usman. Welcome to this live session. Okay, so let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis on Gbpusd and also on gold and other pairs that we are looking at. Now, if I look at Gbpusd from the daily perspective here, this is the daily perspective on GJ. First of all, looking at the monthly chart, we can see that from the monthly, there is a huge monthly bullish candle followed by another bullish engulfer followed by a monthly middleman. Now, back to back after 3 monthly bullish candle, we can see that this month's Gbpusd in the first 2 weeks we have seen initial pullback to this support level, and after break of this support, GJ has got significant bounce from this level. If we look at the weekly chart, what we can see from the weekly, that this is the weekly support level on GJ, and with that weekly support there is a complete breakout from this level. We can see that this is a complete rejection previous week on Gbpusd, followed by this week we can see the market is slowly returning to the upside. Now, if we look at the daily chart, what we can see that from the daily, this is the today's candle. The market opened here, and with that opening on the daily time frame, after previous days there was a huge drop here on GJ to this support level, and with that breakdown on Gbpusd, we can see that the market made a very good move towards the upside. And if we closely look at what we can see here, that the market after today's initial pullback as expected, we can see that the market started to move up, and as it is a long-term bullish market, we can see that there was a massive liquidity grab. The price started to bounce back towards the upside again. And if we look at the further lower time frame, we can see GBPJPY currently, this is the 4-hour. So far a big move, waiting for deeper pullback. This is the intraday support on GJ here, and looking for the price to come back down here. This is an important level of support, which is the 4-hour support here, and any pullback to this level will be a good opportunity for us to trade this market. So you can see that there is a 30-minute spin bar. The market just got a bounce from this 30-minute spin bar, which is basically a very strong momentum. And what we can see currently, this is the 15 minutes candle closing in a couple of minutes. I'll be interested to see that GBPJPY has come for a deeper pullback, and this support that I have drawn is the intraday support. This market, you can see almost 6, 7, 9, 10 hours of bullish move, waiting for that price to come down for a deeper pullback. So this trend is currently very overextended. We need to see that local breakdown, and once we find proper entry, it's now currently on the 5 minutes retesting. Okay, so GBPJPY is in an uptrend. If I look at again to the daily, this is the daily resistance here, which expecting for the price to go ahead and retest this level. So I would like to see that GJ has managed to bounce back to the upside to create a new higher high. So let's see how the market might be doing here on GJ. And with this move, wanna see that the price has made a significant movement here for this potential entry opportunity on GBPJPY. So let's see how the price is doing, and I would appreciate your support also to the channel. If you are enjoying, give a thumbs up, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press that bell notification so that you are not missing any of the content that I am posting every single day. Okay, you see that there is a doji formation. There is a doji formation, and if we look at even the lower time frame here, so 4 hour, we saw there was a, with the market open, it's a big bounce on GJ. And after this kind of bounce, what we can expect for the price to to remain in the major direction of the trend. Okay, so here is the pattern, what we can see. Now from the 5-minute chart, we have seen that this is the move happen on GJ, and waiting for the price to break that low, which we could see eventually coming for a deeper pullback. So let me see where we can find our potential entry. And along with the dollar yen, they're both yen pair. We saw that there was a local breakdown on dollar yen also. This instrument also highly bullish. So any rejection on this instrument as well might be. So already the price has broken a liquidity zone. So we will keep eye on both GBP JPY and dollar yen. Gold is a bit of choppy. Gold is a bit of choppy here. We see there's a 15 minutes candle formation, but it's still the price not on the support. I will be coming back to gold later. First, we want to see that what's happening with the GJ and dollar yen, if there is any entry. So I would recommend you to keep on your chart gold and gold, dollar yen, on your chart. So basically gold, GBP JPY, and dollar yen. So to keep on both of them on the chart. Okay, now here we can see the market on dollar yen. It's trying to come down along with the GJ. So we might see now a local breakdown here. And okay, here is yes, coach, welcome, good morning, thank you very much. Smart, welcome to South Africa. Welcome to South Africa. I'm still not in South Africa, but I believe that you said that you are from South Africa. Welcome. Thank you very much, Tony. Welcome. Morning, boss. Morning. Appreciate your time, amazing coach. Thank you, Tony. Welcome. Morning, coach. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Welcome, Patrick. Okay. So now here is we can see that there is a drop on dollar yen. Now dollar yen is, if you look at the daily chart, this is a bullish market along with the GJ, and both of this instrument is in a very strong bullish move, while gold also coming to an important daily support. So while we are looking at GBP JPY to give us an entry based on lower time frame, here we might see, you can see the market today so far has made significant move. Now we can expect a deeper pullback on GJ while we can see the dollar yen also doing the same thing. In the meantime, I will be looking at gold as well. Are you guys with me? Let me know how many of you are looking at gold. Today the market opened as expected on gold, and there was a wickless candle, which is basically a no wick candle has formed on gold. And with that wickless candle, we can see that the market has made an initial bounce. Now it's coming to the daily opening and closing, which is an absolutely important support level. Now for me, before I tell you traders what is my opinion on gold, I would like to know what do you think. That past week there was a huge breakdown on gold, and then the market today we have seen initial bounce. Do you think that gold is going to move back up to create a new higher high, or it's gonna keep dropping or forming a reversal pattern? What's your view on that on gold? I would like to post a Q&A or poll to see what the traders are thinking. So what do you think about gold? Number one, gold will move up. Let me see what's your view. So important. So let us know that by casting a vote to see that how many traders believe that gold will go up again, how many traders believe that gold will drop down. Still 50-50. I see 7 votes. Can you cast a vote to see? Okay, so 57, 67 going up. The bulls are going up. Let me see if you guys are thinking on the same way. Let's see. And yeah, that's so far everyone is trading with the trend. 13 vote. Let me know. Cast a vote here. Okay, so for GJ there is a gap at market opening. So yeah, there was a gap. Regards from Uganda. Welcome. He said, "God bless you. Thank you very much." Gold will push up if that candle close wickless. Okay, so you had an edge to still, the daily price is, so far once the daily candle open, we have seen initial bounce and has come down for a pullback. But I think that gold daily candle may not remain like that. It might retest the support. So the wickless candle that we see on TradingView might be different on MT4. So it might not remain as like that. It might not remain wickless. There might be a retest. That's what I'm waiting on. And if the price is retesting that, okay, then there is one very important point to look at here on gold is, let me tell you, first of all, let me see that trade. So majority of them think that gold will move up. Okay, so let's see now here what happened. Let me draw this trend line from the daily, because daily is neither a higher time frame nor the lower time frame, which is a time frame that you need to look at. Now if you look at the daily chart here, the daily chart, and what we see, I have drawn a trend line here on the daily, and with that trend line, this is a support level. Okay, and what we see that there is a bounce from this support, and then followed by another bounce, followed by another big bounce, followed by, so far we have seen an initial, the previous day when there was a massive drop happened, the market has come here and then got a rejection. Now the question is gold coming down again to retest this? So the reason I have drawn this support level, this trend line, is because you see this is the daily chart and the market is maintaining still series of higher low. So anytime the price breaking that series of higher low, which is the daily support, that will be an important point to look us for potential bullish opportunity, because it is still a bull market. But I wouldn't say that gold will keep pushing high directly like that without grabbing liquidity from this support level. So there is a chance for a break and then to continue to the major direction of the trend. So if we keep that in mind and looking at the lower time frame, such as on the 15 minutes, what we can see that the price, you can see slowly forming a local bearish pattern. This is a local bearish pattern, local downtrend, and I think that now it will try to break that low, and it might even consolidate in that area a bit more time before it return back up or breaking down further to retest this support. So this is an important level of support. This is also important level of support, and any break, any one of this broken, we could see gold having a reaction towards the upside. And that's what I would like to see, how gold is reacting to those levels. Okay, so this is what we will be waiting here. Looking at GBP JPY on dollar yen, you can see dollar yen after breaking that, now it's getting a rejection here. Looking at the 5 minutes, yeah, we got a bounce. As I mentioned before, it's a bull market. So from the 30 minutes, long wick doji, 15 minutes. Okay, so pip here, 20 pip. Okay, to me it's a bullish price action on dollar yen. So I will be opening long here on dollar yen with a stop loss below this low. I'll keep a bit of bigger stop loss here, 24 pip, and would like to target 2 to 1 reward to risk. So I will be risking only 1% of my equity. So make sure you also keep a proper risk management plan. So my stop loss at 153.64 and take profit at 154.395. So I have also shared the same trade in the community. So would like to see that bit of reaction here. We have seen multiple liquidity grab on dollar yen, and I'm running currently in a little bit of profit. So this is a live trade. Okay, would like to see that the market has made a move to the upside. And if you closely look at here, we can see that. So let me explain why I have opened the trade. Now, if you guys and girls have joined our Zoom class in the live trading room in Forex Trading Wizard Academy that we have conducted, you exactly know why I have opened the trade. Now, I'm expecting UJ, not JJ, to move up and to create a reaction to the upside, while we see that gold had formed also another the gold also slowly forming bearish price action here, and I think it's gonna try to come back to 2344 level as it is approaching the daily support level from the lower time frame from 30 minutes. So also we have quite a few new development coming. Now, if you look at our TF strategy, and also we are having currently two very important development coming in Forex Trading Wizard Academy. One is Trend Finder, another one is Liquidity Candle Finder. So it's also will be available for you to access all of them along with our TF strategy indicator as well as our liquidity indicator. Now coming Liquidity Candle Finder as well as Trend Finder will be available for all the members who are trading with us in Forex Trading Wizard Academy. So you can see that dollar yen, once we open, I'm expecting it to have potentially upside bias here. Let's see, though the market already has made significant move. So dollar yen is in a very sharp bullish move. If we look at the daily, the market is in an uptrend. First, you would like to see some improvement here, and based on that, we will be managing the trade. Gbpusd is also forming potentially bullish price action. We will not be doubling up to yen pair, while we see that there is a move on gold. This is also a bearish price action. We did not develop two trades here. So we see that gold is coming to the daily support, and with the break of the daily support might give gold another opportunity to enter. So this is the 1 hour candle, and with this 1 hour candle closing in 24 minutes on dollar yen, So you see GBP USD also showing bullish price action while we are bullish on dollar yen. Gold is approaching the daily support. So you can see there is a very strong candlestick pattern. And if gold is coming down, then dollar yen normally mirror gold. So we might see is just moving up as expected. I'm expecting it to return. It might try to fill some of the imbalance, but we have a bit of wider stop loss. So if it drops a bit more downside for to fill some of the imbalance, we'll see what happens, but expecting it to at least to go back up to some of the important liquidity zone to grab that. So we have 4-hour candle closing, 20 minutes. I want to see that in this next 20 minutes, it managed to bounce up to give us some profit here so that we can manage that trade to be less stressful for us to see the market manage to go up and grab some of the liquidity from here. I believe that, guys and girls, you are enjoying this live session. And if you are enjoying, I would appreciate if you give a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press that bell notification so that you are not missing any of the content that I'm posting every day. So gold also has come to a daily support level. GJ, okay, so it's forming bit of rejection. We need to see that the market managed to has broken to the upside, because this is a liquidity grab. Now if it wants to come back again, another retest, then we'll be for me it is a bull market, so I have traded with the trend. The rest I have to leave it on the market. All right, so I risk I don't know why this word coming like that. I risk a very smaller capital, so make sure, traders, you also take care of that. Risk management is the key. All right, so far there is a strong bullish pin bar, bullish, and this is also another bull candle. Now this 1 hour, okay, now here is the problem. We wanted to see that the market managed to return. If it is feeling that weak, so I don't want to see that it's coming for a weak fill. And gold is still maintaining that bearish price action in that area. So far locally bearish price action, so which is putting pressure on the daily support So that if gold is breaking in that direction for creating a new lower low or to break this daily low, that's what we could see. Dollar yen is moving back to the upside, so we are keeping eye on dollar yen for potential upside here. As you have seen that, you guys probably have seen that when dollar yen is here, I was expecting for a rejection. So basically this is a smart money area where dollar yen has managed to reject from this level. At the moment we want to see that it's been able to break that resistance level also. Even if we see the candle is closing as a doji from the 1 hour, then the price action could remain still, you can expect it to remain still bullish. So in the vote, I see that 72 votes. So 74% think that gold will be bullish. Okay, so let's keep eye to see what happening. From India, welcome. Thank you very much. Gold will up. Okay, coach, do you think that crypto analyst and signal in your website? If you do you give crypto analyst and signals in your website? Welcome. Anyone want to join our academy? There is a lot to take from here. You guys have seen that we do here trading and also a real trading education where you can learn my strategy. You can trade with me in the live trading room. So we have our VIP trading room as well where you can learn, and you'll see exactly how I am opening the trade. You'll see exactly how I'm doing the risk management, guys. This is the missing piece of the puzzle, is that it's not all about only the strategy. It's also about the risk management, how to open a trade, how to execute the trade, and also how to follow along the trade until its fullest potential. So that's what you will be learning in our live trading room. So if you want to access that live trading room, you can be our member today. You can find link below this video in the description. We still have few spots to join in the live trading room, so you can find link below this video in the description area. So once you visit the website, just click join now button where you can learn and grow as a trader. I can share with you the link in the live chat. So once you are on the website, you can click and then be part of our trading community where you can access the trading tools that I use to trade the market. Quite a few tools currently available, including also coming up two important tools. One is the liquidity candle finder and also the trend finder. So basically, how do you know that if this market is in a strong uptrend or in a weak uptrend? That's what you will know from the trend finder. And also there will be liquidity candle finder. So as you know, that is smart money trade based on liquidity, but which candle has the most amount of liquidity that you can directly access from that tool will be available only for the VIP members who already joined and will be joining recently, and later it might come with a subscription, but now it's available completely accessible to all the members in Forex Trading Wizard Academy. So if you want to access all of them, including incredible trading tool, as well as we have currently our TF strategy indicator, when it trends, it gives you an incredible insight about the market. So all of them available for you today. If you are becoming a member, then I would recommend you to right now to do it using the website. Just click join now button and you'll be able to join and be part of that. Any question, don't hesitate to ask. Hi, WTI. Greeting from Nigeria. Welcome. Thank you very much. Welcome. Gold. Yeah. Which I have subscribed. Kindly confirm. Was it slow? Welcome. Welcome. Welcome to that. Yep. I see. Moses, you have subscribed. I see on the dashboard that you have joined. Welcome. Welcome to Forex Trading Wizard Academy. Shortly you will also you will be able to, you will see an email confirmation for the VIP trading room link, as well as signal link will be sent to you shortly via another email. So what we see here in this zone is dollar yen is trying to fill that week here, but I really wanted to see that dollar yen has managed to bounce back up. It's consolidating here, trying to fill the week. Which is, I did not expect it. Gold is forming a pattern on the daily support level. Dollar yen might remain a bit in a sideways. Let's see. Okay, so it's trying to have a reaction to the upside. I want to hold it because if this 1 hour candle closing as a long week candle here, so it gained enough momentum from this support level, that might give that instrument to have a bit of stronger move on this, and I'm waiting for the price to do that. Okay, here what we can see, gold is trying to bounce from the daily support. So from the lower time frame, there is still probability for gold to break that low further in the other direction. Okay, so here from the lower time frame, after this doji, it might come for a bit of deeper pullback. So it's now trying to fill some of the imbalance here, while we see that gold is carrying a bit of rejection. So gold is trying to maintain that support. We see dollar yen has got a primary bounce again, which is in our favor, expecting dollar yen to remain bullish in the major direction of the trend. Okay, we'll keep eye. So want to see that it managed to break out before the 4-hour close, and then we can manage the trade accordingly. Right, so hope that you are enjoying the live session. I would appreciate your support if you give a thumbs up here, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press that bell notification so that you are not missing any of the content that I am posting every single day. So let's look at now what kind of price action gold is making here. And okay, gold is still locally, it's in a downtrend. I think that it's gonna try to break the daily support. So it might try to break the daily support with the candle close. There is a 30 minutes and 15 minutes price action. Okay, so from 1 hour candle closing and also the 4 hour on dollar yen, and want to see that it's closing as a narrower candle with a long wick at the top, that can give us some kind of boost to the upside. And if we look at our the gold price section, where you can see there is a long wick formation here, I would like to keep eye on that on dollar yen and also on gold. See a bit of movement happening, and what we can see on the market now currently, market over London and Frankfurt. Yeah. It's a bit of sideways on dollar yen, and so what we can see, Usdjpy has come for a deeper pullback, and we can see that there is a 4 hour candle closing, and with this 4 hour candle close, want to see that GJ and UJ is feeling that long wick at the top. So here is what we can see on gold as well. Let's go a bounce with the 4 hour close, and with the dollar yen candle close, let's see where it is heading. The market has made on dollar yen has made a narrow doji, and I will be holding the trade, expecting it to go ahead and fill that wick to remain bullish. From the 1 hour, it formed a narrow doji. We can see that there was a big trending move. Okay, so it might try to come for a deeper pullback. There is a narrower doji here as well. So we see this is a very strongly bullish market on dollar yen, and we look at the daily, so far bullish move. So I would like to keep counting on it for an upside bias. While we see that there was a significant bounce on gold from the daily support, and it's crucial to see where the price might be heading. So from the intraday closed on gold is there is a red candle which has a long wick at the bottom and also the top, and what I think that gold might at some point try to fill that wick and to retest the daily support again. And I think gold might try to break the daily support because there was a strong rejection, and today so far made significant move. At some point we could see that gold is coming to retest the daily support, and as you know that there is a news coming later today which will be another big catalyst for gold and all the USD pairs. So we might see a good move with the news coming up later today. And in the meantime, also I believe that you are enjoying the live session. I would appreciate if you give a thumbs up, and also let me know what's your view on all of them. Make sure you also do the proper risk management when you are trading. It's very important. Doing proper risk management, learning trading is very important with proper risk management. That's why we have also opened our live trading room. So we in that live trading room, I will be trading live, and also I'll be teaching you how to do the risk management, which is also very important. And I will be active all the time that I am trading on that live trading room. So if you are our member, you can access that live trading room with me, trading together, learning the risk management, learning the right way to trade with proper strategy. So in addition to the VIP, in addition to the YouTube live, also you can access the live trading room. If you are our member, you can find the link below this video in the description to join Forex Trading Wizard Academy, so that you can access that live trading room as well. So here is we can see that there are a bit of imbalance. It left and now it's trying to come back down to fill that imbalance on dollar yen. So you have seen a move, and then it's now slowly so dollar yen. So if you look at the intraday 4-hour, so here on dollar yen, it's might be a bit of deeper pullback coming for, and let's see how far it's grabbing that liquidity. What's happening with the gold here? So if gold is coming for another drop, then dollar yen kind of structure it has made. So from the daily, So this is the daily candle. So far we have seen significant movement, and it's been here for deeper pullback, and expecting it to remain to the upside after certain pullback, because with that pullback we could see that it is creating a long wick at the top on the daily, and waiting for the price to fill that long wick. So from the 1 hour, and we might need to hold that for a bit of deeper pullback. So this long wick is being filled now. Okay, so we need to allow it to happen sometime, that deeper pullback. And in the meantime, I would appreciate if you like this stream and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. WTI, what's your analysis? Oil, yeah, we'll be looking at that. Gold, I think, can take sell. What do you think? Do you think gold sell? We'll be looking at that. I did not expect USD fill that week. Yeah, dollar yen is trying to fill that week, so it might fill that week. If it fill that week, it might. That's why I put a bit of the stop loss a bit below this level, is because if it is coming to fill that week, it might try to come even at the bottom of this candle, or it might not. So it just may retest this support and can keep pushing high. So sometimes it's uncertain how far it's gonna come for a pullback, and then it might just keep moving up again in the major direction. So we can see that it's trying to form that, and at some point it might, you can see that there's a 10 and 20 mm retest crossover, expecting it to bounce back up back to back. You see 30 minutes, this is the fourth candle. So yeah, with that deeper pullback, we'll be waiting to see that rejection. What's your TP for two trades? So this trade, the TP at 154.395, and no, that's not correct. I don't only analyze the gold. We do trade dollar yen. If you guys remember, we do trade Gbpusd. So in our, while we see the GJs, we are waiting it to play out a bit of that pullback. Let's look at also our trade on dollar yen, okay, GJ in the past session, in the NY session, guys. If you remember that Gbpusd trade, where we have opened with only, I think, 15 pips stop loss, this is still moving in the major direction. It is a great example. If you guys remember, I joined but I didn't have the link to join the Telegram group. Maureen, did you join right now? You should be checking your email for the joining link. So if anyone have joined, haven't got the Telegram link, VIP Telegram link, you must email. You should check. You should be able to receive the email in your email. If you haven't, please check your junk folder. Must be in your junk folder. Still, if you can find it, then you can email info@Forex Trading Wizard.com. info@forextradingwizard.com. This is the email. You should be able to find on your junk folder. If you don't see, please check your junk folder so that you can access the VIP Telegram channel. So you should have seen that in your email. If you're not, you can check your junk folder to see that link in your email. So don't miss out that, because most of the trade and all the live trading is sent in the channel. So if you haven't got it, then must email back so that you can get access to it. Thanks for that. And if you haven't joined yet, also you can find the link in the description. You can visit the website and then click join now button for everything. So here we see there is a weak fill on dollar yen. So that is propelling what's happening with the gold. Gold made a move and it's coming for, so this is the 30 minutes chart on gold. So I mentioned we might see now it's coming to fill that week on gold and breaking that low to this support from the daily. So we can see 15 minutes on, and also the lower time frame on gold is there was a drop, pullback, and at this point we need to see either gold is breaking that support or is just preparing for a bounce. Long-term trend on gold is bullish, but what I think that it needs to grab liquidity from the daily support to create a new lower low. So for short term, we still might see a bit of downside on gold. And with that on dollar yen, okay, so dollar yen is now in a crucial level. It's on the, there is a move pullback. I don't expect dollar yen to drop further. Instead, expect now to, I am expecting it to return to the original direction. There is a 20 EMA here. So it's basically filling that long wick. $69. Okay, so gold and dollar yen moving almost in the same direction. That sometime happens. So you see that gold is with this move, it now try to break the daily support, and from that zone we could see the dollar yen is moving back up. Yeah, Maroon, if you join on Friday, please check your email, including the junk folder, and then let me know here even if you don't see it yet. The team should be sending you all the links, but please check your email, including the junk folder. Thanks for that. Okay, so I don't expect dollar yen to fill. Okay, you're always gold buy. JPY backtest is pretty strong support. Now might reverse here. Okay, so JPY is, it got a bit of, there was a bounce and then it just returned for that imbalance here, expected to bounce, so the trend became a bit of exhausted. Okay, so it might come for a deeper pullback, but if it breaks this low, okay, if it breaks this low, then also an important support here. So I want to hold it here for because this is the 4-hour candle, and if the market breaking 153.69, also you should see a reaction from this level. Okay, getting some kind of rejection here. So this is a kind of inverted head and shoulders. So it's an important level of support. In the past we have seen that break, and then now the price is retesting that support, and then it's now, if we see enough liquidity grab here again, see that if we can add a position here. Okay, we see that bounce, and okay, so here is on gold is the other way around, and here I think gold might break this, try to break that, while dollar yen from 30 minutes. Okay, dollar yen, it might now try to grab liquidity from here. Now in case it is breaking 153.69 and forming long wick candle, then we will be even adding another position to this level, and we might be able to take another trade if it moves below this level, but not now because we are already one trade, and which is a bit in a drawdown. So only if we see a high probability setup, then we can take another one trade from this level, but it's not there. So wanna see that it has gone to the profit zone before we manage the trade anything. So with the on GBP/JPY also, we can see that the market from 15 minutes it's getting rejection here. Multiple liquidity grab happen on GJ. This price action also currently bullish. Okay, so it's also a bull market. Dollar yen and GJ. Dollar yen, I think it's trying to now break to the upside again. It gained enough momentum, expecting it to go ahead and to create a new higher high along with the GBP/JPY. Hope that you guys enjoying this live session. If you are enjoying, don't hesitate to smash the like button here, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I do open live trade, and also once you are our member, also you can access the live trading room in the private live trading room for the VIPs, as well as where you can have my personal guidance, a regular trade update, regular trade analysis, every day's update, and as well as trading tools that I'm using, including indicators, strategies, and also VIP Zoom lessons. You can access all of them today. Once you are member, you can find that link in the description to visit the website here, where you can access everything that we have in Forex Trading Wizard Academy. Don't hesitate to ask any question if you have. Okay, we see the market is almost nearing our entry. Are you guys with me? Holding the trade with me? Let me know. JPY, yeah, always. Okay, so you see bounce back to the upside here, and we see gold after grabbing that liquidity, it's moving back up. GJ is forming that pattern here. Dollar yen is trying to bounce back to the upside and expecting it to move up to create a new higher high. And in the meantime, I would appreciate if you like this stream. I see that likes and view are not there, so if you smash it, will be helpful. And in the meantime, especially we see the GJ is getting a bit of rejection here, so there is quite a few multiple liquidity candle has formation on GJ, forming another one with a bullish momentum in it. Okay, we can see that on 30 minutes on dollar yen, $15 minutes, now this is a okay. So dollar yen showing moving in the direction that we expected. I'm expecting it to bounce back up, and then it might a bit consolidate here, but I'm still expecting it to remain to the major direction of the trend. 30 minutes back to back, 4 narrow red candles. Okay, so that represents that the sellers are not strong in the market. The buyers are still strong in the market, so expecting for the price to bounce back to the upside. Okay, so gold is putting pressure on the daily support, and as you know that there is also coming up later today, there is a high impact news on gold. Now if I look at the news calendar, looking at the Forex Factory, so this is the Forex Factory calendar, and in this calendar what we see that 10:30 p.m. in my zone coming $3 most important news for today: core retail sales, Empire State Manufacturing Index, and also retail sales coming in this. So in just a couple of hours I will be covering that news as well with all of you. And also tomorrow, also very important day for CAD and Gbpusd, so that will also be make dollar yen, Gbpusd, JPY and gold very volatile. So we see that dollar yen slowly trying to bounce back up and almost nearly hitting our entry point. So I will be holding that trade for now, secure some profit, to secure some profit here. This is the 30 minutes candle, closed as a doji. So that doji basically has got a very sharp rejection after multiple liquidity grab. Okay, so let's wait for the price to fill that wick on the 4 hours. So you see there is a long wick, expecting it to go ahead and fill that wick and then to move back to the upside on dollar yen as dollar news coming. So if dollar getting stronger, then we might see that dollar yen is basically moving back up to our profit target. I'll be holding this trade for full profit, not be taking any partial at the moment. Want to hold it to see how far it is moving up. And also join the free Telegram channel. You can find the link in the description. I will be updating this trade as there will be another live session coming in just a couple of hours. We will be covering that, and I will be keep you updated in the VIP live trading room as well about this trade and everything. So if you are our member, you should be able to access the live trading room, while I would like to see this trade there, how it is going. And in the meantime, I will be coming on live during the NY session in just matter of 2.5 hours. We'll be back on live, and until that I will be holding this trade. So let's see how far it goes. Make sure you do the risk management and not risking everything. It's very important you do the risk management as a trader. So with that being said, thanks for joining the live session. I believe that you enjoyed this live and you have learned something from here. I'll see you again trading live in just a couple of hours in another live session. Let me see if I haven't answered any important question. Still holding dollar yen. Welcome, well done. So I'm also holding, and I'll keep you updated what you will be doing on that. Thank you, and I'll see you soon.